Hi everybody. I'm sorry I wasn't on YouTube for like so long. I was a little bit sick. Okay. I read all the other comments and I decided that I would pick one. And every week I'll pick one comment to do. And I just want to say thank you for subscribing and thank you for being there for fan base. Okay. The comment that I picked was burping with your mouth closed. I was practicing because I wanted to get good before I made a YouTube video. Okay, so. Okay. Thank you guys. Alright, so again, remember, post a challenge or something you want me to do. It can be anything as long as I have the supplies, like the chubby boots challenge. I do not have the supplies for that. Just name anything. Thank you. Bye.